Hey everyone, Day here from the Corjl support team. Today we're diving into how you can assist your customers with their order. First, let's go to the orders page. You might need to search for a specific order, but once you find it, click it to open. Now we're in the Summary tab of the order. Find the Edit as Customer button. It's on the Summary and Design tab. Click it to view the order as your customer. Next, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the View drop-down. Click this and select Designer View. This lets you use all the designer tools that aren't available to your customer. You can add fonts, images, adjust layers, or tweak design protections and settings. Remember, your customers can't access the designer view, so no worries about them getting into the design space. Make sure you save your changes in the designer view. These changes apply only to this specific order and not the overall listing. Once done, you can close the browser tab and use the drop-down on the left to return to the main app. And that's all for our Edit as Customer tutorial. If you have any questions, send us an email at support@corjl.com. Catch you later!